Hi guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram try again later. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings and then open the apps manager like this. When you open the apps, now here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find the Instagram app like this. And when you find it, click on it. Now go here to the force stop option, go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on this data usage option, and now you have to enable the roaming data and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and disable only the background data like this. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.